Hey, this is the Daily Overpass. My name is Eric and I make apps. Now today, I want to talk about how even the best planned projects have problems. Okay, so today I'm coming to you from the National Space Center in Leicester. If you live in the UK and you're interested in all that space travel and all that kind of stuff, this is a really cool place to come. And I think, like a lot of people in technology, I'm really interested in, the Apollo missions and the Gemini missions and space travel, and thinking about when you look at those decades of the 60s and 50s, 60s and 70s, there was so much growth, but when we look back at it, it's like nothing compared to today and like in the last 10 years. And it's interesting to think, when we become old men, and I don't consider myself an old man yet, but when we do, we're gonna look back at these years and think with the same way we look back at those years and think so much has changed in such a short amount of time. So anyway, whenever I'm here, I think about one of my favorite movies, which is Apollo 13, right? It probably is one of your, if you guys are in technology, which you obviously are, then it's probably one of your favorite movies too. And the thing I like the most about that movie is that nothing went right, or they had some huge problems, a lot of smart people, the best people in the world working on one thing, and then things went incredibly wrong. And it just kind of reminds me that, even with the smartest people, even when you have the right people, the right plans, everything in place, everything goes wrong. Because sometimes in software development, even though you've got the best developers, you've got the best project plans, you got the best designers, sometimes things go really wrong. And one of my favorite parts about that movie was that everyone had to use their skills, not the things that they were expecting to do, but they had to use their skills and experience to come up to solve problems that they never thought they'd have to solve. And this is one of the things about hiring a really good developer with a lot of experience versus hiring somebody new. Somebody new could do a really good job, but whenever anything goes wrong, they don't know what to do. Like, I've worked in so many corporate jobs where they, like a database failure happens, or network goes down, or just something out of the ordinary happens, and like the junior developers, they don't know what to do. They don't know where to look. They don't even, they just haven't even thought through those kind of things before. And it's more experienced people who are more calm. They'll look at it, they'll come up with theories, they've been thinking about it a lot longer and stuff like that. So, junior developers are really good, and they're not as expensive, but sometimes, it's having the people with a lot of experience there and everything. So anyway, so today I just want to talk about how much I like that. I really, if you do live in the UK and you're interested in space travel stuff, come out here to the Space Center in Leicester. It's not as cool as like Cape Kennedy in Florida or anything like that, but it's still pretty cool. So anyway, that's it for today. Just a really quick one, just to show you guys I'm still here. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.